In the meantime, the issue of a garbage pileup is also affecting residents in Lucea, Hanover. Business operators at the Lucea bus park are calling for the municipal corporation to address a garbage problem in that area. They say it's unfair for the corporation to be collecting monthly fees without ensuring that the park is clean. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
Big hotels to the west, the Lucea bus park to the east, but the coastline at this fishing beach looks like a landfill. It's a headache for the people who have to do business at the bus park. Donovan Anderson is one of those persons.
They see they want to clean up that, man. Look on the place. Eh? Look at the place, the dirty brother, man.
Bins are provided, but they are not enough to contain the garbage. The bus park is operated by the Hanover Municipal Corporation, and business operators are expected to pay a daily fee. It's one of the reasons Mr. Anderson is upset.
No tourists now come here, so we can't say that. Yes, I sell and make me look at chumps, you know. You see? And I look at the place where the place stand. The place where I'm clean and I make more money than I make. It tax me, what we pay money for?
Persons who declined to appear on camera say some of the business operators and residents in the area are to be blamed for throwing garbage in the sea. Meanwhile, Council for the Sandy Bay Division and Deputy Mayor of Lucea, Andrea Dehaney Dinham, agrees that there is a garbage problem in the town.
We also do a lot of coastal cleanups in our parish, and we realize that about 80% of the garbage that we collect on our shorelines are indeed plastic.
However, she's hoping that the recent ban on plastics will help alleviate the amount of garbage that washes up on the coast of Lucea. We also visited the municipal corporation to speak with the mayor about the problems at the bus park, but were told he was not in office. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.